So hello everyone, good morning. So today I am going to discuss about local notification in iOS. So for implementing this, we use user notification framework provided by Apple. Import user notification framework provided by Apple. So UN user notification center is class responsible for sending and receiving local notification. We have content things for adding local notifications in iOS, and first authorization, asking for permission, and content what to share, and trigger when to share. So now firstly we import, and we're going to create on this class notification manager and inherit on the NS object class. So this class is the singleton. So we're going to create on the singleton instance. This is a, so create, sorry, notification create a notification instance, sorry, static let shared is equal to, and this is a notification manager. Okay, now create on this instance, and we're gonna create on this private, so notification static manager, okay, instance, and now calling on the notification center, create notification center instance, notification center user un user notification center dot current, create instance. Okay, now second create a model on a my task. Suppose this is a my task. Create a structure my task which is type of codable and which have a property, so name, id, body, time, and date component. Okay, now we're gonna add on this notifications. So this is the notifications receive extension. So this is extension notification manager, which is coming your notification center delegate, which are to provide method user notification will present, user notification did receive, will present calling is foreground and did receive calling in the background. Okay, and no, so this is a add on calling on this methods notifications request authorization, request permissions, create a method request permission which is kind of the bool request permission async await, which in this function which mark async await in throw. So let's create an option un authorization option. Suppose alert sound and shown this UI alert sound badge, and calling on the notification request authorization method request authorization option which pass on this options. Our create on the option. Okay, now create a should local scheduled local notifications. We create the scheduled local notification which is type of function async, and scheduled notification should scheduled notification create the should scheduled notification which is type of bool return is true and false. Now we're gonna add on this add task, create on this task. So add task, so this is should need notification should need to otherwise true return true, otherwise in and outside return is back. Okay, so grant permission, create request authorization permissions, and notification center dot delegate. So we're gonna create on this work date component. Suppose we have notification 125, suppose this is a 130, so we're gonna set on the 30 130 which have on this 130. Okay, time interval set date minute, wow, this 130 is 1 and 30. Now let object my task foreground object, this is a background foreground, and component this is a body part of component pass on date component. Okay, we're gonna call in the add task method. We're gonna show this add task method. So add task, this is the array of my task, but we're gonna create on this instance this array of my task. Now create the object single, suppose multiple object create and add task. Okay, now for task in we're gonna apply for each loop, and it's mutable content un mutable notification content, we create on this content, and content dot title content task dot name our create on task, and task.booty date component with 13.1, and this is the 13. So not calling on this date component. So remove this date component and pass on this date component. So in this trigger and objective task, okay, date component trigger, suppose this is a 13:30, okay. Let's create a trigger, UN calendar notification trigger, when to share and when to content is what to share and when to share. This is a trigger, okay. Repeat it, repeat task.component request, and this let request UN notification request identifier content and trigger, which are requirement of request. If you are create a request when is needed, 3 component: identifier, content and trigger, okay. To try await notification center to add target request, okay. No calling on this app delegate. So app delegate first method calling on this did finish launching and calling on this calling app delegate. So we're going to create, this is the async function. Location manager, this is the async function. Add task, this is async function, and calling on this app delegate. Add task, notifying the shared schedule local notification. Now we're going to task modify and await calling, okay. Now we're going to run this application. 1:30 receive on this notification. App is run. User permission allow. So provided 1:30 a local notification, provided notification is 1:30, time schedule is set, okay. So using user notification from framework importing, and for implementing this use user notification center, create a singleton class object and create a schedule local notification, create a schedule and add schedule and add task. We're going to add on this task which have component body and change on this components and body. Now this is a 1:29, this is a 1:30, and code pass on this method. Show on this notification 1:30. And then we show on this 1:30 notification. UN user notification is class responsible for sending and receiving local notification. We have content thing for adding local notification hours. So receive on this notification. Foreground, this is a foreground, this is the foreground node, this is clear, and this is the clear notification, okay. So what we have passed on this body and foreground. This is my lunch time, this is my lunch time and free. So this is a lunch, okay. Now we're gonna run this and tap on set on this timing. This is 31, okay. Now set on this 31. We're gonna run this application and provide on this notifications on 31. Launch lunch time, and this is my lunch time and free. Provide a notification, okay. 1:30, this provided notification. Well, thanks